Today we're going to make some shortbread cookies. They're paleo and they're absolutely delicious. When you just snap them in half, they're a little chewy and crispy. They have the slightest hint of almond flavor, and what I love most are these delicate edible flowers that we're going to place on top. So to begin, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of almond flour. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and then add 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, and then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So there's this trick I want to share with you that I learned and I love it. Rather than like dirtying the inside of your cup, take your measuring cup and then put it inside your dry ingredients. And that's 1/4 cup measuring cup, and then we're just going to pour the maple syrup right in there. While the ghee is melting behind me over here, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of almond extract. Then we're going to add 1/3 cup of some melted ghee. And then we're gonna put it on some parchment paper, roll it in a disc, and then place it in the freezer until it is chilled. Now that this has been chilling in the freezer for about 30 minutes, I'm just gonna use a rolling pin and roll it out till about 1/4 inch high. Then we need a 2-inch cookie cutter to make the rounds. I don't have a 2-inch cookie cutter, and so I'm gonna be using the top of a glass here. So just take your glass and start making your little cutouts. Okay, so here comes the fun part, is using edible flowers. I have these little pansies here that I got from the farmer's market, but you could easily use any kind of edible flower. I think rose petals would be so pretty on this as well. So just use your thumb to push the flowers into the cookie, and then we're going to actually roll them out just to make sure that they have completely pressed. Okay, then take another piece of parchment paper, and then with a spatula, just gently lift the cookies away from the other dough. Slide the cookies right on the sheet. And then these are gonna bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are slightly crispy and lightly golden brown. Okay, well, I'm enjoying one of these cookies while they're still warm. You have to try these. These are delicious. When you break one in half, they have the most delicious centers with the crispiest edges. These are so delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. I'm sharing new recipes every single week, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.